Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you these super soft, light and airy cinnamon rolls. We'll start with our dough preparation. Here in my electric beater, I've added 2.5 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and 7 grams of instant yeast. We'll mix it for a minute and I'll add here 1 beaten egg. Give it a good mix. And here I'm adding 3/4 cup of warm milk in batches to form a dough. Scrape the sides as needed. Here I've added 1/2 cup of melted butter, salted butter. If you don't have salted butter, that's okay, you can add normal butter, and to the dough you can add a pinch of salt. Here I've added a little bit more, 1 to 2 tablespoons of warm milk to make my dough a bit more softer. We will knead the dough for a few minutes till it forms a soft dough. Here my dough is absolutely ready and super soft. Now I will place my dough in a greased bowl and cover it and let it rest for an hour or two. Here for the filling I've added 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1 to 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. Mix it well and set aside. Here our dough has doubled in size and is perfectly ready. Knead the dough once again. Sprinkle some flour and shape your dough into a rectangular shape. All the sides should be in the same length and the same size. Here I'm brushing my cinnamon dough with melted butter. Make sure to spread the butter evenly on all the edges and everywhere. Here I'm sprinkling in my cinnamon powder and powdered sugar filling. Here with my rolling pin, I'm pressing down my sugar and cinnamon powder onto the melted butter. Now I'm gonna roll my cinnamon roll. And make it equal on both the sides. Here I'm cutting my cinnamon roll with 2 inches apart. Now set your cinnamon roll in a greased pan lined with parchment paper. Cover it and let it rest for another 10 minutes. Here I'm adding melted butter on my cinnamon roll before baking it. to give it a smooth golden colored texture from the top. Now bake your cinnamon rolls in a preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes till golden brown. For my cream cheese frosting, I'll be adding 1/4 cup of cream cheese, half a cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 2 teaspoons of milk. For a thinner frosting, you can add more milk. And here our frosting is perfectly ready. Here my cinnamon rolls are out of the oven. I'm brushing my cinnamon rolls with melted butter. And covering it and let it rest for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, my cinnamon rolls have been warm. Here I'm adding my cream cheese frosting. And our cinnamon rolls are perfectly ready. They're super soft, light and fluffy. I hope you liked my recipe. Please do give it a try. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.